Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make all lines same length in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make all lines same length. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Shapes drop down menu and select any shapes. The line shape, then draw this shape. Now we can see we insert a line shape, then we want to make multiple line, press right button on our mouse and click copy, then paste inside, then again paste this line. Now we can see we insert 3 line shape, then press shift on our keyboard to select the multiple lines and go to the shape format menu, then click the alignment option and align the center. Now we can see we make this all line length same very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.